Hello friends, how to configure Windows 10 lock screen via Group Policy. In this section, lock screen change on Windows 10 will be done via Group Policy. This feature is available directly in Windows 10 Enterprise and Windows 10 Education. For Windows 10 Professional version can be done with the third-party application or PowerShell script. Click Start, Server Manager, Tools, Group Policy Management, select Group Policy Object, enter Group Policy name, click Edit, Computer Configuration, Policies, Control Panel, Personalize, force a specific default lock screen and logon image. These settings enter the file path of the photo so that photo file is displayed on the screen session screen and lock screen. Click Enable. Share folder. Click to add. Click Share. Click Down. Add domain users. Enter share path. Copy file name. Click Apply. Click OK. Private change lock screen and logon image. These settings private the background image from beginning change on the login screen and lock screen via the user's computer. Close the window. Link Group Policy. Click OK. Check settings. Now go to client, enter password, open CMD, GP update force, updating group policy, computer policy update has been completed, user policy has been completed. Now click the lock, restart computer, group policy has been successful. Thank you for watching this video.